Namaste viewers, welcome to my channel. I am Dr. Pragatti Singh, dentist, astrologer, tarot card reader, NLP life coach and Pranic Healer as well as an author. Today we will be learning about meditation. So what is meditation? Meditation has become a common word nowadays in every household. Everybody is talking about meditation in papers, magazines, everywhere it is the common word now. Even the science believes about meditation. People say that meditation improves your productivity, your vitality, your concentration and your performance. If we see the Vedic knowledge, meditation was performed by all the sadhus, rishis or mahatmas or the saints. Gradually now this information is transmitting to the normal world. Earlier these spiritual practices were done by the saints for their spiritual awakening. Maharishi Patanjali has given Patanjali Yoga Sutras. He was the first Maharishi or the sage to explain the importance of yoga. He has also explained the importance of dhyana or meditation in his Yoga Sutras. Dhyana in Sanskrit means focusing at one place for a longer duration. If we see Patanjali Yoga Sutra, Adhyay or chapter 3rd, verse or sutra 2nd, Tatra Pratyek Tanata Dhyanam. He has described the importance of dhyan. If we concentrate at one spot, one place, one position, one object for a longer duration, it is known as meditation. Through this practice, we can awaken our spiritual powers. If we concentrate at a particular place for longer duration so that we feel sensations in that area, then we activate the spiritual process. If we see the chariot model, we all know that the mind goes according to the five senses and the mind is controlling the body. The senses take the mind in all the directions. In the normal mundane world, from morning to night, our mind thinks 1,000 thoughts. We have to think about the job, we have to think about money, we have to think about the bills, school fees and so many things. So when we come to rest at night, our mind is actually overburdened already with so many thoughts and so many information. The horses are running in the scattered direction. But meditation is a process in which for 10 minutes or 5 minutes or maybe an hour, you focus on a particular place, object or any part of your body. Meditations can be of different types. Heartfulness meditation, grounding meditation, white light meditation or any manifestation meditation. It just depends on what you want to achieve through meditation. To know more about meditation, we have to look in Bhagavad Gita. As we all know, it is the encyclopedia of Vedic knowledge. Bhagavad Gita chapter 6 verse 13. Samkaya shiro grivam dharayan achalam striha samprakeshya nasika gram swam dishat chanav lokanne. Lord Krishna has described in Bhagavad Gita how we should meditate. He has said that we should sit in a straight position when the spine is straight so that all the major chakras are aligned, and then we have to close our eyes and bring our concentration at one point. And he has described that point as tip of nose. Maybe it is because it is closer to the third eye or the upper chakras. He has described that we should focus on the tip of nose. Then we have to sit in silence and then observe the changes happening in the body. If we do this practice day by day, we see there are a lot of new changes coming in our body. We start feeling more happier, contented and safe in our lives. If we are restless all the time thinking about so many things, we have no place for ourselves. Meditation connects us to ourselves, which gives us immense peace and pleasure from within. Meditation according to science. Practically, meditation has no relevance in science. Scientists around the world have become curious to know about the meditation and its effect on brain and the heart. Meditation is widely practiced in Hinduism and Buddhism across the world. The saints have believed and claimed that meditation improves the vitality of the body, reduces aging and increases overall energy of the body. Scientists from Harvard University to other prestigious institutes have performed research on the brain of the sages or the monks. Our brain has minor electrical activity all the time. It's not like heart. Heart has a higher level of electrical activity. There is mild electric potential in the brain which is measured in the form of brain waves through EEG or electroencephalogram. These waves are also known as brain waves. There are different types of waves based on the frequency. For example, gamma waves has 30 to 100 Hz frequency, beta has 14 to 30 Hz frequency, alpha has 19 to 14 Hz, theta has 4 to 8 Hz and delta has 1 to 3 Hz. But what are these brain waves? When we perform different type of activities, brain's electrical activity also changes. When recorded, it gives different patterns of waves. Sometimes a wave oscillates more, sometimes very less. So, for example, gamma waves, these waves are generated through brain during learning or memory. When we try to learn facts, then this type of wave pattern is seen. Beta is seen in the normal day-to-day life. When we get to go stress, activity, we're just running around, going to work, everything, then the brain generates beta brain waves. Alpha waves are released during relaxation or just before sleep or just after waking up. When we are relaxed, we are not even doing physical activity, we are just thinking about it. And theta waves are ideal waves actually, because they are released during meditation, during sleep, rapid eye movement sleep or deep sleep, and also during creativity when we are fully relaxed. Delta waves are generated during sleep without dreams. So we have seen here like pattern of the brain waves changes according to the activity. When we are in stress, more of the beta waves are generated, which is not good for our body. They give neurodegenerative changes in the body. We age more quickly. There is high level of cortisol. There is high level of stress in the body, body ache, muscle pain. But when we are relaxed, alpha waves are generated, and when we do meditation, theta waves are generated. So if we perform meditation for 5 to 10 minutes a day at least, or maybe 20 minutes to half an hour, it has been seen that theta waves are generated more in the brain, causing positive changes in the body. So what are these long-term effects? First of all, the long-term effect is on central nervous system itself. The stress of the body goes down, we get good sleep. The cortical thickness or the gray and the white matter of the brain increases, causing brain to be more vital, more active and more energetic. Then if we consider the cardiovascular health, the heart becomes better and vital, the blood pressure decreases and the stress decreases. And if we see cerebral aging or the age of the brain reduces, normally diseases like Parkinson's or dementia occur quite early at age of 60, 70. But if a person is regularly performing meditation, he can escape these diseases, or they will come later in the life. And also it improves breathing pattern. Why? Because we get relaxed. So the asthma gets cured and all the degenerative or aging changes of the bodies are reduced. So meditation is considered a very good practice by scientists as well as researchers across the world. Though it is taken from Buddhist monks and Hindu sages, but still it is gaining popularity day by day because it gives positive effect on health and vitality. If you are interested in more spiritual and scientific knowledge, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.